Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Susie by name. So welcome to Susie Global Concept YouTube channel, your channel as well. So today I'm going to be showing you my garden, my mini garden. Yes. This is tomatoes plant. I've been harvesting it now. This will be the fifth time that I'll be harvesting the tomatoes. And here is carrot plants. Yes, I harvested the carrots, the first one, the first bag. Yes, yes, and this is potato. You can see corn. Yes, see potatoes, sweet potatoes, side bags, and this is yam. I've harvested the yam too, and I'm going to be showing you the yam that I harvested. And this is pepper that I planted inside plastic containers. You can see. This is bitter leaf. This is potato, and this is seed again. Seedling. This is tomato seed and pepper. Let me zoom it well so you can see. Yes, from out of the tomatoes that I plugged, the last one that I plugged, I planted it again. So you can see this is pepper to pepper seeds. Yes, I'm going to be planting them inside containers too because I'm short of sack bag. Yes, but if I happen to get more sack bag, I'm going to use it to transplant them. So you can see this is corn that I planted too. Yes. You can see, sorry, this is another tomatoes that I planted about 2 months ago. Yes. So let's check the carrots whether this one is ready for harvest. No, it's not yet ready. It's not yet ready. It's not yet ready. Actually, I didn't plant them the same day. The first one that I harvested, I planted it earlier. So this one was a month after. I planted this one. It was a month after. You can see. Although it didn't really root out well. It didn't root out well as expected. So I'll still leave it. Let it mature. Let it mature before I will harvest it. So this is my mini garden. This is my mini garden. Yes, as time goes on, I'm going to be showing you all more plants that I have planted. So I just want some of them to sprout out and grow halfway before I will show you. Yes, for probably harvest time, I can show you. And this is beans. There's beans there too. You know, I love carrots. This is water leaf. I have water leaf here too. Water leaf, I always harvest water leaf like, let me say, every 3 weeks. Every 3 weeks. In fact, I can't even mention how many times I've been harvesting my water leaf. So you can see the size of the tomatoes. Looks like cherry. Yes, this is a species of the tomatoes. Okay, you can see the plastic that I use. I had to make holes into the plastic, okay, so that the plants can have a breathing space, let air enter. Okay, because if you just plant like that inside the container without making holes into the container so that the plants can have a breathing space, you know, the plants will not do well based on my experience. based on my experience. So for container gardening, you have to make holes into it. So this is the yam that was cutting this morning for my live stream. If you watch my live stream this morning, this was the yam that I harvested from one of the bag. Yes. So, and this taught me lesson that yes, you can actually plant anything inside sack bag. Although I prefer sack gardening compared to container gardening. But if you don't have sack, you can go for container. But if you are going for container, you have to make holes into them so that the plants can have a breathing space, let air enter. Because like sack can easily drain water. Okay, but container, if you don't make holes into it so that you can drain water, the water will be stagnant and it's not good for the roots of the plant. So sometimes you will see that the plants will be dying off. It will just wither or the plant will not grow well because of stagnant water. Yes. So don't forget to like, don't forget to drop your comments on what you feel about this video. So thank you so much for your support and continuous support. I really appreciate you all. Much love, much love, much love from Suzy Global Concept. Stay safe, strong, and healthy. See you next time. See you next time. You can as well share the video so others can benefit. Share the video. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to support the channel. Thank you so much. Much love, much love, one love, one love. One love, everyone. One love. And the yam is very sweet, like very, very sweet. It's a very sweet yam. Very, very sweet yam.